Burnout furnace. Burnout furnace, model BU440H. This model has the utmost constant temperature inside the furnace, with the design of two separate grills for upper and lower level. This makes better hot air, expanding and spreading within the furnace. Capacity of 40 flask, without flange. Size 4x9 inch, 20 for each level. Stainless shaft with strength makes it last long. Furnace door has braid rope seal. Makes it last longer and no heat loss. Equipped with heater at the wax drain tube. Makes wax easy to drain and prevent the clog up of wax. Equipped with afterburner to reduce the smoke and smell.